Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to contact Coinbase customer service. Navigating support can be simple if you know where to start. Your first step should always be visiting the official Coinbase Help Center. Signing into your account there allows for a more tailored experience, helping you find relevant solutions quickly. Explore the various categories to pinpoint your issue and discover available support methods. For more direct help, Coinbase offers several convenient options. You can utilize the live chat feature, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for quick questions. If your issue is more complex, you can request a phone call from a support agent through the Help Center after logging in. Remember, if you suspect any fraudulent activity on your account, immediately call the dedicated security line at 888-908-7930. If your issue isn't urgent or requires documentation, submitting a support ticket via the Help Center is a good option. Be sure to include all relevant account information and a clear, concise description of your problem to help agents assist you efficiently. For critical situations like lost passwords or two-factor authentication access, Coinbase has a dedicated account recovery process to help you regain control securely. To make your support experience as smooth as possible, always prepare beforehand. Have your account information, like your email address and any previous case numbers, readily available. Clearly articulate your problem and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Remember that some issues, especially those involving security or account recovery, might take up to 24 to 72 hours to resolve, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.